I just want to use this opportunity also to salute everybody, wherever you are watching me from. This is Good Heart. Good Heart TV. So make we use opportunity quick talk. Because they say, you know, if you leave your home where they forgive birth to you, Africa, Nigeria, village, wherever they give birth to you, where you can't grow, if you can't come out, can't see enter Western world, you'll still the act like say you never leave Benin, enter Lagos. I think that is what we call Tufiakwa. That is a big setback and a big sin to anybody, any person where they act like that. A lot is happening in Edo State. People, they always talk them, and we can't meet them. Right, from generation to generation, they use the word, charity begins at home. And I go pardon me, because I go use pidgin English to talk to my people. Because waiting with the talk, it they help. Are they be the people not they hear them or not they help? I for don't stop, me for don't stop. But I can't say and say my messages, it reach the real people. And the people then they take action. So now make me. Any few time when I get, I'll quickly use them. So please, let us share so that we can discuss. Invite everyone in. No worry. The entertainments, people where they entertain for media, una feel meet them later. But make we still hear good message. Way be say way forward, because not be this one we put on for head, the other one we put on for head. Hey, we follow chat, we follow do this. Anything they do for life is good, you do it well. Like our mother, our sister, we cry out about the Ohen, you know, go fence her land. They say if you be teacher, teach well. If you be mechanic well. If you be government well. So, but undermining say I not follow them for media, make I check what people they write about her. So if na Edo State she for teach, I believe say a lot of students for that 20-something years which she don't teach, a lot of students go don't come and say, ah, this auntie, this mother, this our sister, this teacher, she is the best. She was so nice. See, now from a school, now this governor from graduate, or from now teacher for primary school. Now this counselor. Now this armed robber. Now this Curtis. Now this good person. Now this businessman. Now this secretariat. I learned from her hand. Now she teach me. If na Edo State, but if na another state for teach, so I not go bother. I not bother about that. Waiting that they use this one, they talk. Not be say I want castigate her or I want say anything, but waiting that they try to talk. Sometimes, anything way you do, now I go speak for you. Anything way they do for this world, now I go speak for you. Now I go tell the whole world about you. So nobody else go tell you. They go tell anybody about you. So I think it's hard time we begin leave good name down than say we dey chase money or chase the things of the world. So with all the riches or whatever property you acquire around yourself, all are all vanity. Because I don't come check this life. See, say sometimes you go be guy or guy man, fine boy, fine girl. You go just do shakara anyhow. But I want you to look back to some people we don't pass away. How their flesh, those flesh, where you think say maybe man, it too fine. See my body, see my house, see my face, see my skin, see this, see that. It's so beautiful. Man, this my as they talk and all those our people with the media they talk and their private side. See this, see that. My this thing you see and say too big in large. Where my bola too large. All this at the end. Once you die, all those ones now 1 second until they met out of you. 1 second they go met, they will become useless. So sometimes we need to ask ourselves, why are we killing ourselves over all these things? Just to beautify your body. You want to rest your body well. You want to do this. So all these are confusion. Now confusion, we just they put ourselves like as the government and the traditional rulers, they put us today. where they can use a different word, different grammar till they deceive every human being. So where they go now be this, my people. A lot of things don't happen. So if people they talk, the other one talk, the other one talk, nobody they listening, it not gonna make sense. People don't talk about these our youth. People were supposed to take care of the villages or the surrounding in those states, whether they call it Okarele or Karele. People don't speak about them. Many different corners in all ramification. Waiting everybody they talk. We are all speaking for the betterment of the state. If you there abroad, you still they support anything way not good. My brothers and sisters, you better think twice. All these are all mistakes. Because if you still they support all those kind of things, now mistake, big mistake. Why is it mistake? You not feel use this present day generation. Those states go still there as it is so. And waiting the way forward I be this. One thing where people need to know now, you know, if they're abroad, they make we stop to you will start to continue to buy land from just somebody, either a Kagele or Ohen, or just a man or John Were Pekin or Nogie Pekin, or one man will be say be chairman for the whether they call chairman for the for social area community. So all these things need to have a stop. Because how will they stop them? How will they stop them? I will talk reach there. So waiting that they use man they talk, so that be the things when I want to talk about. Make we do everything to come in and share so that we put the listening ear down. Because things they happen day in, day out, and we they blame ourselves, we they blame government, we they blame our forefathers. If you go the Christianity area, they go blame our forefathers. If you go native daughters, they go blame our forefathers. If you go Muslim, they go blame our forefathers. You now, we just did now, which difference you don't the exhibit or they show to your children's way go come, so that they not still blame you too, because they say you're not supposed to repeat the same mistake. Now when you repeat and are there, now be mistake. But if you know the correct time, it will become something good. So, but as the day is moving, everybody they repeat the same thing. So we leave the blame for our forefathers. And our forefathers left something behind for you and me today. Where me and you, they live on. They talk about, say, I am from Edo State. I am from Nigeria. I am from this. The reason why they left that place behind for us, that's why we meet on like that. But today's generations, if you go check all our Okagele and the youth chairman and all of them, they don't sell all the lands finished. They give outsiders. They give, when I mean outsider, we know Oriovi. Egon, we have sold some streets. Some street today, you cannot see a Edo name. Some street today belong to other tribes. Some kind of tribe where you don't go even see. Tomorrow, you can never go there to claim those things back. So such a people, you don't expect them tomorrow, peradventure they can't find good or can't find something good on that area. They go allow a dome person make it go that area. They feel sell that area, give even Chinese or other people who can't destroy that area, can't cause earthquake later on. Dig the ground, spoil everything because that place not be where they come from. They feel park their load anytime, go back to where they come, to their state or to their or where they for their origin, where they for come. Hey brotherly, I see you. How's family? You know, say all these things now mistake where we all they make, and which we want face this thing. Now people where they outside the country, outside Nigeria, outside the Edo State, now you go feast Edo State. If you there outside the Edo State or you there outside the country, you see they spoil or see they join or see they clap or see they send money, make them take they do something bad for Edo State. Now that bad thing I go from today they pursue you. And those things go be your friend. Those evil go be your friend and go be your enemy. They go begin chase you from now henceforth. Because Bible don't let me understand. Say pronounce it. Just say it out. It shall come to pass. Because somebody's out there saying amen. Out or inside. So Where will they go now be this? A lot of things happen in Edo State these days. A lot of things, a lot, they happen all this while. All these people, where we supposed to hope on, say, youth, we're supposed to fight or supposed to stand to get up to say we want to fix this land. None of them, they get up. Inside the Edo State, you go see engineer, contractor, then go award roads, then go award the light, then go award the water, then go award different things, or then go come say yes, as they enter power, then go do this, then go build healthcare, then go do this. At the end, they go do drillage. At the end, 8 years or 4 years go complete. That person go come up for office. The youth go fold their hands. They look. They think say maybe God go come from heaven, come feast stand for them. Then go chop. They go clean mouth. Inside the same people, the same presence of people, the Kagele youth, where did there all this while? Because why they talk this is now waiting I can't see. I surprised say we still get youth. Me surprised say we get youth for Edo, able-bodied young men for Edo. The thing tire me when I see protests against banding of Okagele. So the thing can't just, in short, it shocked me. It shocked me to my bone marrow. The thing tire me. I can't say, so we still get men like this. Now inside here, you go see government officials go come, or chairman or local governor go come. He will come do road 1 meter for billions of naira, and the road go spoil within a seconds. Government officials go come build school. The school no go even get better window. It no go get better roof. It no go get better thing. It no go, there's nothing. They go just do a paint and put paint. And all this Okagele, those youth who now they look. Under 3 months or 4 months, the school will go back to worse than the way it was before. And una did there, una fold hand. On side una eye, a lot of things they happen. Una did there, una not fit talk, una not fit do anything. So when it can't reach, when the government can't come out, can't talk to una, can't say one put a stop to all those nonsense what una they do, I can't surprise all of una come out. So the thing just come. It shocked me. I can't surprise it. So we still get people like this where they fit do protests. Inside there, now we hear of all lot of atrocities where they happens. All these people keep quiet. Inside there, now government build what they call this way governor go build. What did they call on this Iden Opokuwa? Building that health state, hoping to share them to workers, to all these people, retirees and all of them. At the end, una inside there, una here, people go there, go destroy those buildings. They destroy everything. Una keep quiet. Forget to say all these things supposed to be una property. Because now una state money that they build all these things. Una not come out. All of una fold hands, say it not concern una. Waiting I want to talk about. People they talk about Okagele. Who be the Okagele now? Sometimes they will say na CDA. Who be the Okagele? Now the other opposite party. Waiting be the other opposite party. The EPN and the APC youth. Where be sleep say, where be they feed on CDA? Where be they feed on this beating our brothers and sisters, our fathers, in the way they drive to Ketke, where they use Okada. Those way they beat our mother, where they sell tomatoes, they sell pure water for market. So now then, today these are where now this is the thing they feed before. These people where they go inside, where go enter road inside build street, they go seize weather, mechanic, seize their property, seize the tailor, fashion design machines, seize their dressing saloon, their dryer, seize everything, seize their generator, all of them. As Obaseki come, he now take their hands away from the job, from selling of land, from beating people up to develop their land or their property. He sees those things away from them. He take those jobs away from them. Now, they pull away from it. They enter the thing that they call Okagele. Now the Congo enter there. Congo make sure say they poison the mind of our Dionwe and the Enogi. This time they can't even do everything possible to remove Better Ojon wey kill all the old men. Can't put their gangs wey be the same cultists wey don't still swallow tortoise head like as them be. Wey be say don't swallow devil as they say, because sometimes they say devil. I don't ask question tire who don't see devil before. Waiting Nigeria people, Fulani, Edo, Igbo, all the tribes, Yoruba, Calabar, of the waiting that they do for those states, for Nigeria. The devil go fit do all those kind of things. Devil cannot do that. So they can't go, they come out now, can't change, because this time they not get opportunity to stay the city. They can't go all those new area where they open, where the villages now we don't they develop. They can't go there, can't go stay, because these people, if they not get money, they can do anything to make money. Anything at all. They can do anything to make money. So now they can't change, they can't enter that area, can't become Okagele. That is why you want to see and say, for them to come out, say they want to go protest whenever there is Fulani distracting our parents in the farm, or distracting our people where they travel through all those houses, all those areas where they for the travel, they go other state. All these people, they keep quiet, they not talk anything. Then leave all these things to they happen. Or in the name of say, people go say governor. Then come out, then sell all the whole land, finish all the land, both streets, with drillage, where water supposed to be pass, hoping say people go come say governor Obaseki, now it cost everything. Now make erosion start to they blow for the city. Now they destroy house, now they destroy everything. Then create problems. So waiting at the talk, now BD say it's hard time. Una wait there outside the country. Make una know say if Edo State go better, now una hand the day. If it not go better, now una hand the day. If you they expect all these kind of people, where they do all those kind of things, once they get power, once they in authority, you they expect them to come change Edo State. My brothers and sisters, now big mistake una they make, because these people they don't care. If it's poor, it's none of their business. If it's good, it's none of their business. Their business is make them enjoy, they feel die tomorrow. Those kind of people who believe say tomorrow they feel die. You go hear them when they chop, they go say if person want die na believe for the bust. So make I enjoy myself to the maximum to enjoy myself, make I die. Anything will happen, no problem. So far I enjoy it. So such a people, if they expect anything good to come out of them, they make a big mistake. So these are the people where change can't become Okagele. That is why you can't see the activities of Okagele today. It can't different from waiting una they see before. So if we want to remove all these things, now these words, when I want to pour on them, now the waiting go important. Because one thing we don't know, una way they do these things. I don't ask una. If rain they fall, now I go look, you say you be EPN or you be APC, you be this or you be that. May the rain see you go say this your motor, it too clean. Drive pass on top of me. I not go sink you. I not go dirty you. It's impossible. You go just see you because of say you be all those kind of now una fed the power before. Then now if the light could just see you, it could just give you light. Your house, your light could just full everywhere. You go on your AC, everything will give you. Impossible. So schools go begin change. You can't they good your children they go school. You can't see better teacher for school. It's impossible. So what you they do, what una not know. If una fit come and they blame una ancestors, they blame una parents, say now una parents destroy, now I not do this, now I not do that. But I want una to use una teeth, una tongue to count una teeth now. What you they do now? Are you people leaving something for your children or born? How now? Go fit just come out when una not supposed to. I don't tell una all this secret. You can, if person don't come out for Nigeria, you can't know say, I not know say you the sweep street, you feel they build house, you feel buy motor, you feel they take care of a lot of things for life. I not know say if person they even they carry fun, he go feel get everything where he want for his whole life. You not know say mechanic, you feel make money, you feel short, you feel rich. The reason why these things be like that for Nigeria, for Edo State, because our people, these Okagele, these people now, because since they come out from CDA, come out from TOS, can't go enter Okagele, so make we they call them Okagele. So this Okagele now, these people now, this youth will come at Congo protest now. They could ask themselves question. Una no know say these few things when I mention now: farm, mechanic, tailor, welder, plumber, sweeping of road, carrying of shit, bathing somebody, doing all sort of things. You don't know say it can make you to even, in short, you get your car, get everything. I don't tell our governor Obaseki, jobs, full grant. Sometimes when you say you want to create job full grant. These people, now just make them, they pay them well. These people can start to generate their own money by themselves. By sweeping the streets. Edo State is dirty. These are jobs. It's just that make them they get better pay. If they get better pay, I think everybody go calm down. All these things go reduce. Make them, there are jobs. These things where they say yes, person now they spend money, go they buy heavy jeep, go they buy heavy car. Go they buy, buy things where people say not go tomorrow, not go generate anything. It's hard time all these things stop. Where the Ohen issues come from? How they sell land? I want you, if you know this man very well, right here say this man, since they sell land or since they do the Ohen or they do the Nogi or they do this thing, till they sell land. See how many fabrica, how many workshop, how many company, how many people where they don't employ, where they manufacture. Then they do shoe, then they do crates, then they do drinks, then they do this, then they do that. Help me write out if anything like that there. Or for a community, now you put all the street light we did there. All the jobs you get, you buy some machines where they create jobs, where they manufacture, they produce things. They couldn't show me if it did, they couldn't help me know. But if there is not, so it's hard time. You cannot be selling all these things. Then you are not giving back to the people. Selling everything, you are not giving back to the people. Then waiting, I don't ask this question, waiting you come to say, the people will be they use those land till they feed as farm, as every other thing, will be they hope on that kind of space, say something good will come out tomorrow. Which job are you not creating, or which you come to say those people will come be to their neighbors or neighboring countries or state or whatever? They will become nuisance, and that is what we are getting today. As Ohen, as he said, he do everything now, do everything possible to make sure say he want to take somebody, take a land of a building, or may I say a land of a woman where he don't suffer all the 20-something years. That is almost an elder state woman. Not just only that, these are things where they repeat itself every day in, day out in the land of Edo State. I know say this name, where would they call Edo, it they pain us. If you know they pain us, or if we not want something good to start coming out, we for not they talk am. Because now bad thing to come they call Edo name for things we not good. I don't use myself. If then say, Edo people, sometimes if you come to my platform, you go say, no, Edo is the best, as I always say. Anything you want, the best, the bad, the good, it is Edo State. The same thing applies to every other state and every other countries. So here is this. And so when they sell all these things, as a youth or Kareli where they sell land, ask yourself, you don't sell all these things. Either you use and travel out of the country, or you use begin flares, you begin buy cars, or you go erect one structure, one duplex for yourself, or you can't go do this. Ask yourself question. You don't sell all these things now. Then at the end, you not build company. You not tie one street. You not create a place where be say the people in that your community where you want to go build house. Say tomorrow they will feed they work for there. They manufacture. Which you not know. Not be to build hotel. Orange. It they change to different things. Now just you feel sell one land. Since you get the mind to sell, it's just now make you just ask. Begin go. Which machine go fit change orange to become something? Which machine I fit do where go fit they produce this thing? Because since una fit sell all these things, fit they make better millions. So this target, these are area we are supposed to focus on. So you begin ask, waiting our fit buy, when it be say yes, now we will start. May I start to dey produce things like this because Edo State then they buy. Edo people they buy well. When it comes to buy, we they buy, but we not get anybody we get idea of to know say yes, this is what we go they buy. We will feel manufacturer or we will feel create them for the same Edo State. This idea is lost. I don't know why. It just died from the Edo people. It just died. The reason of that, I don't just know. So that's why it's high time we begin to think of the way forward. Now make me come out this evening. So make una begin check. If you sell all these things, begin think. If you go out village area, you go see say we get cocoa, we get pepper, we get garden egg, we get bitter leaf, we get pumpkin leaf, we get water leaf, we get, etc. Plenty of it is cocoa yam and all, yams and all, plantain, cassava, everything. All these things. Inside there you go see groundnut oil. Inside there you go see medicine. Inside there you go see food, you go see this. Waiting just happen. Because if I look at those states or I look Nigeria, you go here, year in, year out, people where they enroll, where want go school. People where they go school, graduate, they come up from school day in, day out. Engineer, all this and that. How come we not fit get a better teacher? Make I call her teacher. I don't want to say lecturer or anything again. Better teacher. Where if he just come and say, yes, let me teach you how to create or how to manufacture, how to turn this thing to become a blessing. Than for us to see foreign wine, we'll begin dance salata. To see foreign juice, we'll begin dance salata. Foreign toothpick, we'll begin dance. Foreign cassava, foreign pepper, foreign this. We want to spend all the last money on it just because of, say, yes, we not use our own common sense to produce or to change something. So my people, all these things not make sense. Now waiting, if we leave on for these same people, whether they call themselves now or Kagele, where if we get up, come they protest about, say, they want to stop their own activities. Because this one are their last hope. Their last hope by using idea to enter the arena of Okagele, Enigie and John Were now enter their position. Under they can they operate. This is their last hope. As the government has come to take that away from them, the only way they go hand up now, either criminal or enter the kidnapping or enter anything bad or begin play their family with their outside the country. Anyhow, they play their money, begin do everything or turn criminals where be say they give information about who just come from abroad. See who get money, see who not get money. See the house we get money, see the house we not get money. That is how they will end. But if we una way still be outside the country, una not begin let them know say who they do tailor can become millionaire. Who they sweep road can become millionaire. Now the moment for us now to begin let government begin let us see say yes. On top of all these people where they do all this minor job, now from there now the people who open those fabric or those companies or those jobs, now from there now these same people now they work the money with them until they pay them. Your own is just to monitor as the owner. So it's hard time the government begin to look inward or begin check on things where Bisego they generate money. So these people now, Okagele, if una not fit protest for the right thing, apart from say how to just sell land, make money to chop, if una don't sell all these things finish, una don't sell all the land finish, waiting go be una, wait the next thing, waiting una can they do. Una go buy motor, una go marry better wife, una go buy better clothes, no road, no light, no job, nothing. How you take survived? You don't sell people land where you're supposed to make farm and no food. How it go come be? That duplex or that jeep or whatever car where you go buy, it go give you all these things. It's impossible. Very impossible. So why not use the time now to do everything possible to see how how una take stop these dirty activities. You cannot be an Okagele in Edo State. Edo State engineer government go come into power. You go here say they award your street to contractors. Make them tie your road. At the end, then do your street, do your road. Gutter not get many. The road, the quota they put, it not get many. Street light they not come put, nothing will get many. Then you close, you fold your hand, you close your eyes. You say it's none of your business. My brother, maybe now that land where you say you go build better house for that street as your area. You think say erosion one day not go seek that house? You think say erosion not go seek that hotel? You think say people go feed they drive, they come visit you for that your house, or business go want come that your area? It's impossible. So una mission as an Okagele now, if una want know say yes, money do or that thing. Now una mission now say yes. When they say Okagele, since Edo villages don't they change to Edo, don't they change to city. So now una mission now, when any contractor or any government or local government or chairman, you hear say now even if now your brother or your sister now in day position to fix your road, to repair your area, to give you a better road, nylon tired road, you not fit talk to them. My brother, you get problem. You get better sickness. So it's hard time. All these people once now begin correct them and they do all these things well. There is no way, if na mechanic you be, if na carpenter you be, where you not go get job. There is no way before the dark where you not go make money. In the sense that because there is always a platform where person will fit pass, reach you. It's just that he call you, say, yes, I see what you do for internet. Because internet don't deny. I see your job for internet. So I be need this, I be need that. I be need one joko, I be need one chef, I be need one bed, I be need I see the motto where you do. So you sabi do this kind of motto, okay. It's just for you to give and say, this is per address. He said, tell and say, you go within 10 minutes, you'll day my place. Why you feel give and why you feel get that opportunity or that power to say you want to go post something for media? Because you know say your road to take reach you is perfect and there's no obstacle on the way. You know say yes, if he come meet you, as if they meet you, the true everything where you need, you feel see road drive past, you feel see light stay doing. Tell me how you go to sell land, come to the chop again. Tell me that way in your head, you be better musician, you be better this. How those things not go become a blessing to you. So you be better tailor, and at the end you come they sell land, they chop. And instead of you now, can you go and be posting land? Where they go now be this now say it's hard time as people where be say they get money to they buy land. You be a Carterian, you be a businessman from other states, you get money where you want to buy land. Make una stop to they buy land from Okagele. All these chairman, one thing where they call themselves. Everybody should stop to they buy land for their hand. If you buy land, it will be at your own risk. Everybody should stop to they buy land. Just as we be stuck and say, stop to they eat cow. If everybody listen, I think today, all these our problems, then will become nothing again. Everybody should stop buying land from these people. If you want to buy land, you must ask questions. Show me your papa, your mama. If they're not there, there must be an evidence of somebody where be say go still represent. Show me. Then you throw out, you put it in media. If anybody knows so land, you go tell them this area, so area. If anybody get them, all these things you go show you first. Then you go put a limit, say, now so that you come pay. In the sense of say somebody just can say yes, now me the control, now we be the chairman, now we be the youth chairman for this area, now we be the John Way children for this area. Then you carry money go they buy land from such a people. My brother, the land where you buy now somebody own. Now we get power now we get power now we be the government now. So now we get out to sell land now. The land where you buy from just that common man, now people own from that Okagele or from that children of John Way or John Way chairman or Nogi. You are buying somebody else's land, property. So that is your own risk. So my brother, we should stop putting money on anything we concern. We be say Because of say, this person tell you, say, this thing, see, now me sell so land like this. Go ask that man, I me sell for this man, I me sell for this man. True, if you get the time, not ask only that man. Go ask another man, will be another man, another woman, will be another woman. Confirm question, ask question first, so that make we not they see this kind of cry, where our sister, our mother can't cry recently. So that make we not they see. A lot of us, they cry the same cry today, because of say, we just think say, yes, hence, you know, here saying, are you chairman? Ask yourself, my brothers and sisters, you chairman, a papa or a mama, papa, now they get land. And oh, na him papa or mama and papa, na him get the whole village or that area, na him get the whole area. Not be the same way where they born you for that area they born up with. How come na him can't just say, because of say na him can't fit come out with a beige eyes, na him can't just the talk waiting go reach, say na him can't get all the whole land. I don't decide, say yes. Small time, there's going to be a group called the Good People Group. In the sense that this Good People Group will be the fighting for the justice. Good, in the sense that say, anybody where they thief, where they do anything struggle, they thief anybody something. The missions you have, any good people will get good mind, will get clean mind, will get mind of yes, and that yes is yes, no is no. They know they think say they want rent, they want carry property full everywhere. They want buy property full all their lifetime. No, they want reserve for their children. Those kind of people cannot be in that area. So it should be people who be say yes. If you take somebody something, you have to claim it back from them. Claim it from that person. Now make me say, now people where they are abroad, now supposed to team up now, because if you go check the whole stress where those people they give person today, not be the city, not be the people where they are those states. Now people where they are abroad, now that they give the whole problem. We they talk about just like somebody come out, they say, I say and say right, say yes, they support the governor now, so they're supposed to blame for all these things, or governor now they're supposed to do this. They know that they just come that they talk about my people. Now this kind of thing where we they do, somebody go they do mistake. You go see few people go come out in the media, come they support the person. You come they say yes, now government, now this, now that. No, this whole mistake sometimes now we by ourselves now they create this mistake. If we don't create and finish, we'll come they look how we want to look for somebody, the government to blame. If we they say governor come, here governor, he the other side governor. But these people they sell land. If you can't go check Canada, they sell land. They sell land. They know they pay anything, any tax to the government. They know they give any kickback to the government. They sell those land, they sell those areas on behalf of the government, even on behalf of the palace, some of them. At the end, when the trouble come, they will begin look for government. How you go sell land for area and you go build house inside there, you not fit put a battery transformer or one transformer for that area. You not fit put all wood. What is your purpose of selling the land? Just to make money and begin live extravaganza life. Begin live life. Begin sell one land times into 10 times. Into 10 people. One land. So my people, if we want to fix all these things, we need people where be say they outside the country to fix all these things, because you not feel wrong come on for a country or a state where be say is not the function. You run come out in the sense that say yes, the purpose why you run because of say things not the function, where it's not good for you and your family, things not even good for your friends, your people. So you run away. Then as you run away, you can't make them small where you feel sense. Say yes, you want to begin a structure for your family, or you want to do one thing. Then the children where you live, the young people where you live before you come out, where you say the children, now they are not being the one terrorizing you. How that one thing make sense? Then you now, instead of you now to find a way, make we begin think of a way on how to stop this issue. Because these same people, they not get two heads. Now one head all of them gets. Nobody get two heads. If the government not put law, government not did the way that they sell land. The first place. Government, they not they pay one tax to the government post. The second place. the whole tax, the tax collector, the whole bills where they collect, they don't get 1% where they give the government. So if you are calling the government, they know they respond now. The responsibility is supposed to be on we as a person, as that citizen of that place, as an Edo man. We all need to come together and put it, say yes, it's now our fight. Make we find a lasting solution by ourselves. Because these people, where they do this thing, if they say that they sell the land now, that they use and construct road, that they use and they do better thing, not be to wait for government, that they use and do something, they can erect maybe company, fabricators, where they produce or they manufacture for that area, I think it will be a better thing. If you can't go do the finding, go check all of them where they sell the land. Nobody, they think of anyone build better school for that area, that community. Nobody, they think of saying one build better market for that community. Nobody, they think of buying one put street light for that area. Nobody, they think of saying one tie the road. None of them, they think about say they want put water. All of them are just to sell and eat and die with it. Because then no say yes, make them chop now. If they die tomorrow, no problem. So such a people, we're supposed to find a way to eradicate these people. Because if you can't go check all these people, they do this thing. If you will come abroad today, now where they send money, go they buy land, they build houses. If you do the same thing, then for meet anything. So all of you now come out, go abroad. Today now, if they can't threaten you small, you'll see everybody go to fear, everybody go to fear, everybody go to fear, and they die, you go die. Nobody want die, everybody want go heaven. So, if you expect the government to come, they put a lasting solution to all these things, we are all making a big mistake. Because the government, if you really check them, you know they benefit anything from these people. Yeah, I agree to, yeah, respect, afternoon. Mark, I salute you. The government, know they benefit anything from these people. If na bad government just enter power, the only thing we go do, you go use marketplace, our mama, our brothers, even you, Akatena, you go use it to do settlement to in talks to those boys. Say yes, may you go they control people where they buy things, they bring things come from abroad. Go they control the sell car. The other one go they control market. The other one go they control boss. The other one go they control lands. The other one go they control all the tailors and everybody where they sell things, where they produce. They go just use you do settlement. At the end, these people go enter the street, begin draw money everywhere. They drag everybody, even get the authority, the audacity, the power to come your store, come seize your machine, seize your generator, seize everything where you get for a size store, seize people clothes, people things, all in the name of saying that they power. Then you now, you are Katerian, all of una fold hand, una no one die, this one no one die, the other one no one die. Then settle them now so the thing be now, settle them now so then be cut so, then be this so, my brother and sisters in outside the country. If you do the same thing today, they for not even know them. They for not even know that they for not be anything today. So it's hard time. Everybody begin to speak one word. As you will don't enter outside the country, make we all come together. Form that thing when I talk just now, good, because the bad ones, they did the Edo State, they destroyed the Edo State. So we will get good heart. Make we call ourselves good people. Make we begin form one thing where we say, yes, this time when it happen, not just to pay ticket or to do everything possible, we go fight the mission by ourselves. We go fight the battle by ourselves. By then, they go no say, this money, far away they lay egg, nyans they pay now. You not feel expect somebody with all the suffer, where you suffer for road work, where you suffer for fabric, where is the sleepless night. Then tomorrow, one person go just get up, you go here say, this boy, if you know, you don't know that's also boy, that's also boy that time, now he be the chairman for social place now. That guy now also going, if they carry going, they keep person now, who not go feel kill if he come to kill him. If you feel kill, you now goat head, now day your head where you can't get power to take the kill. I be you can't change to devil himself, the devil where we not even know. So these people then decide, they want to live life too. So if they still get mind, say then they kill. So I believe say they still get that spirit of fear too, as you still get the spirit of fear. As you get spirit of stubborn, then now so they still get time. So you now you be the victim. You now that they destroy. Now you they pay. Now you get something. Now you then they obtain. Now you then they drag. Now you then they collect from. Then you continue to act like our forefather where you they blame before. So it's hard time. Make everybody. You be a Caterian, you be woman, you be man. It's hard time everybody need to put hand for one bucket. Make we all hold one rope, draw one rope together, and form that thing. You want to say one big, you want form man. Me, I know they form something, make I become a chairman, no one chairman, no one leader, no one anything. But hence everybody get good intention. Understand, say this life, now we go live everything. No matter whatever you have now, this life now you go live and die, live and put. Because I don't first describe them. If you check them, I too fine, I too handsome. Tomorrow, just hear say accident happen. Go see that fine boy or that fine girl. Go see how it be for grant. Everything is vanity, it's useless. The only thing important for your body now be the soul. Every other thing is just like as the motor would they drive. And if you just get accident scatter now, so it just be. So why are we now saying it as if maybe you don't want to lose this thing, you don't want to lose that thing? If somebody even come and try to say yes, he want to kick against it, just like if you go check me that just see person the right, leave the Ohen, face the governor. The governor not do this, governor not do that. Ohen now you declare for him. You just say Ohen go form a better boys, he go create better society. The only society where go create for Edo people, for Edo state, he go create armed robbers, cultists, killers, or troublemaker, anything that is bad, now be waiting go fit create. He cannot create anything important, anything useful. So if you they expect say all those kind of people they sell land, they go can't create anything meaningful, you are making a big mistake. These people will only create a society or a circle or people where be say youth will be say go they do the same evil as them. So it's hard time. We need to stop all these things. When you see say somebody do waiting all good, we need to correct all these things because nobody carry this land come. Peradventure, your father will find in that circle, so they can't they farm for so place. So from there they'll say, "Now get here, now get here." Now so we everybody did. So this aspect of say we want to the way for government. If the government are not doing anything, because I just check news, if they say if you go police station, case of land, is full. If you check, if you go palace, case of land, is full. Even some people say yes, they even go palace. Not be say our Papa Obama they even hear what they happen. The Nigi, the chief, where they put, where be say they settle the issues. Those ones go chop, they go who collect their gunje for the domot. They not go let the issue reach the palace. Then go turn around. Who pay better money pass? They go follow and they go swing it to that person ways. That is all. That land, who get land, go forfeit the land. It go come off a hand. Then these people now will carry the case, turn the case. Now my brother or Temeno, now if first help me, no gena one na you carry. If he help me, so make me still help him. Forget to say you dey help person under the detriment of destroying other person, well, robbing somebody of his own thing. So these whole things just they happen. So it's hard time with all the suffer. We una don't suffer for abroad. We una don't suffer for Africa country. Come fit not be saying na government na you graduate come out for school. Government I give you better job where you work, where you take gather the money, or you can't finish. Government I give you money where you take fly come abroad. You can't finish now. Government I go cross you for the Red Sea. At the end you come. I make you come today. Now you can't come back. You before you fight for your own property, you go want the government to come to intervene. Since the government cannot do so, the people outside the country is hard time. We stand an organization where we say yes, let's put it right. Because if you are expecting the same government to put it right, we are all making a big mistake. Which people they enter police? Which people they enter our palace now? Not be the same people. The same people. The same people will be saying not mean well for the land. Go and check since 1960 how Edo State has always been. Waiting changing dates. If people maybe we keep quiet, make we just leave everything. Leave. Now Papa leave. Then we go still leave. Can't leave, put our children, put our family for the same problem. Who go come solve this issue? Then when we still manage, do everything possible. Your papa sell house, sell land, sell the lace, sell the gold, take carry you come abroad. Then you can't still come now. You cannot still get up now and say, yes, let me correct this issue once and for all. If that man, that woman, if he carry decision, enter Red Sea, enter desert, can't enter abroad, what you not still fear for? Not be die. All die and I die. No die, they different. The people doing it, go look them. If you even see them, you'll see the way they catch. You go see how them be. You go see they wonder. You think say these kind of people get any time we don't take change? Now they expect them to change. They cannot change. They will remain who they are. They will continue to remain who they are. They will constitute nuisance. And those they cannot allow it to become a better place. Because these people, the moment they finish for the land issue, they come up for spoil land, or car spoil land with them be, I don't know the name with them, or car spoil the land, spoil Edo State. They come up from there now. As politicians, they come tomorrow, and they know say that politician, na devil, na demon, he not get anything meaningful way go give the state. These people now will not team up as they just come back on the protest for Edo State, say governor banned or Kagele show the issue. They go just team up now. They go ask that man, go ask that woman. See, if we put you for power, you go give us authority to they begin beat our mother for market. You go give us authority to they beat our brother, our fathers where they drive to KTK, where they drive taxi. You go give us authority to they sell land, they chop. You go give us authority to they draw people, to go they draw money for street, for market, for everywhere. And once that man accept, say yes, I will give na power, I will give na position, more and take authority over all these things. They will do everything to put that man for power. And that is what they know how to do best. And this is their only thing where they know. A way to make money. They don't care if the land will become calcite or go tomorrow it will become a place where will get money. If you see better school, if you see better structure, if you see anything good. It's none of their business. Their mission is so far it gives them authority to go they destroy, to cause destruction for the state. So that hence that if you make money, that is all they care. They don't care whether the person get anything for upstairs. He get brain to even change anything, to make the state become a better place, to better. It's none of their business. These people now, they will not have these people like Ohen now. These are the kind of boys when they train. The youth, your Kagele, these are the same boys when they train. So once all these boys, they don't train all of them. See my brother, long time. James, so. I know say my network then disturb them. So I salute you. How's the family? So, this Okagele, now where they just they trade now, and once they finish now, and Ohen boys now finish, they go put all these kind of people for power to become your governor, to become your representative. They see them and then they always get gone and then they get power to take they bring the wrong people to power. The purpose why they go they fight, do everything. Even you'll see that they pay money to people to take vote for wrong man. The purpose why they do everything to take vote for them because they know say once he enter power, it will give them authority to begin beat our mama, our brother. They chase everybody away from the state. This is all they know how to do. Praise the dawn. I celebrate you, brother. So this one is the only one thing where such people know. So how in our country say they expect anything good to come from this kind of people? Why not stop them as it is now? So if you there abroad, you there outside the country, and you there among where the people where they bring development to those states, you still there now they fear or they clap hand for these people. You are making a big mistake. There is nobody, there is no government, there is no police. Because if you check these people, if you carry their issue, go police station, then get connection for police because their boys, they police, now they the authority, now they shop, now they serve their food, now they serve their everything. If you can't go inside, you want to go palace, their boys, they there, their people, their papa, their mama, then they get connection for all of them. They have all the means to block anything, to make your case, where be genuine case to become useless. You want to go court, then get boys. So the only people who go fit solve this issue, now you wait there outside the country, where make the states they even function. Because if those states, Nigeria they function today, those states they function today, now people wait there outside the country. Then they even sell the land. Now who they buy the land from them? Who they build the houses? Who they make a those states can't go develop, reach out those village area. Now where they outside the country. So this fear, say they go kill you, they want kill you. Then these boys, you don't know these boys, they be this. Go check how many them be. How many them be compared to now where be say they carry the money to buy the land or the whether they destroy, whether they seize the land, whether they frustrate. You where they don't frustrate, where don't buy one house or buy one land 10 times. Which frustration you define again or which debt you define again? Is that the debt never reach? It's our time everybody need to come together and say, yes, as somebody outside the country, outside those states, you don't dare any state wait for the fee bring money, they want come buy land, they seize from you, they sell land times 2 for you. You they pay times 2, they pay times 10. You they buy one land many times. So they don't kill you already. So it's high time everybody need to come together and let's stand together and find a lasting solution to this issue. Nobody else go fight this fight for us. So we all need to come together as the name good people. Good or good, I don't know any name, the name where we say go match. So that this fight has to be you by yourself. Because even the government, when the government come to see that, there is no place where go carry una go for the whole world where we say that case where they will judge and where they not will judge and maybe say una go win. You are not fighting them because of say you want to go claim their land. You are not fighting them because of say you want to claim their property or you want to claim anything that belong to them. You are fighting them because they are selling and destroying your land. Those states now for everybody. God give unto everybody, not be just for one person. If everybody, we all not come together, those where they sell your land, where they destroy the land, where they resell for another person, so then decide, say yes. If we come together, if we be 5, we can go meet a big layer for site. We flog all of them. We seize their smith. We seize their property. Then go fear us. I think now they decide together. So waiting come make una way they outside the country, not fit decide together, say yes. They say now this house or now that compound that they for seize the property. But how many of una march to there? Tell them say return those things. You ask them, wait till you be? You be the our Oba, or you be the Ojon Were, or you be a Nige. They say they be youth, they be the youth, they be the chairman, now they be the area this thing. You go ask them how the land can't take concern now. Questions. Then the hunger go come. Make everybody just enter so that make we end the whole issue once and for all. Before this people come, they take you for granted. Come they use you now as if say yes, una no know una right, una no know una left. They say traveling is part of education. Even there, who even travel self, come up from Edo State, enter Cotonou, a better person go university. Because your ways of thinking go dey different. You don't see life finish, say yes, this is how it is. But if you can't go check out these people, you expect all this way they see all this wife. Their own not to marry wife, join wife, not to begin date women, begin from one party, you go see them. Somebody will go sell people land, go sell somebody land 10 times. He go party, he go they spray a bunch of money. He go they spray money like say he get one fabrica. Way up, way be say they generate money for him, generate fund for him. It go be like say get one thing way they do way they generate money they come. Then go tell you say you now Catania keep your money, you not get money. You not get money. Instead of them to use that money to go to take us. Hey, Chinese people, we hear say now they feel manufacture, now they feel build a social machine like this way be say if I put rubber, it go turn to cup. If I put you now the fit do machine where they fit turn something like this. If I put a cashew, it go turn to oil, granite oil. So I beg, make how much you take manufacture this thing for me, make them do one. They know they do all those things. Then go carry the money from buy one jeep, buy from one party to one party, from one life, from either travel from Lagos to Dubai or to one state, waste all the resources. They come back again. You expecting these people. Since they don't sell finish for them, you expect them anything good, make them not do anything evil to make money. The next target go be you where they come from abroad. Or it go be you where be say if they know say you they go market, you get money. Go be their next target when there's no land to sell. So it go be the fight now has to be the people outside the country. Like I see this man Apostle, he said they go protest on the 9th of next week. The protest should be no need to wait for police, no need to wait for the traditional rulers, because most of them they compromised. So it's hard to let the people by themselves fight for your own thing. Just as we talk and say, every state protect yourself against Fulani. You see, and the whole issue, when it don't reach everybody's neck, every state begin think of how to protect his or herself, his or her own state by itself. The government, the people begin form vigilante by themselves. So it's hard time when it don't reach like this. Let the people will be say, yes, they don't disappoint you like this. Make everybody begin come together. Make we face one direction. Because if we continue to live on like this, they live on for God. They live on for our ancestors. Our ancestors, they go feed them. They fit take action. Now they not take action all this way. So the action has to be you and them now. Me and you. Because if we continue to declare for these people, we go make this mistake, make them. You dey expect say the children where you give birth to today for outside the country, make they can't go be the people where we can't go fight for the land for you, Abi. We go can't go better at those state for you, Abi. People will not even know your state, not know the Nigeria. How they go can't they fight? How these people just can't get power? Can't be say now then can't they control even your own? They control the land where be say now at the same time they born you and them put for the same place. You did there where they born this person. He not carry this. You not see when they come out from a mama belly or when they come out for a papa this thing. The way papa they pour the thing out for his this thing his parent, it land follow and they jump come out the entire mama body and mama give birth now land follow and come out to become now he can't get all the land. Nobody. So it's hard to everybody begin to think. Don't buy land from these people. If he call himself you chairman, tell her he not get right to get land. For even calling himself you chairman today go expire. Their tenure, this one tenure go reach, it go expire. Once the tenure reach, it don't expire. Then the land where you buy, then the new person where they come, the new governor, the new chairman where they come, it go tell you say that time where you buy that land, not being be the chairman. So now him be the chairman now. If you want to build something for that land or you want that land, you have to settle again. So you can just see the mistake where everybody they make, allowing these things to they repeat itself. So if you buy land from the right person, then the whole thing come like this. The fight has to be the people outside the country now, the people make everybody come together. We should stop that pretense of short, I don't want to do this, I don't want trouble. And the trouble you see every day. Waiting make you know where that say you go even that house, you go enter that house. Why not even die now? Make you know say you die for something. Waiting make you not go one fight now. Waiting not go make us begin team together now to see the lasting solution. Like one of my brother or boy like this, Dada Martin say one become the governor of the New Okarele. Yes, the people outside the country need to carry this thing from them because these people where una justice now they not fit be. Because if you expect them to remain to be that position, then go only there they destroy you when they outside the country. Put fear for your body, your parents, your brother, the people where you even hope on, where even near you, then they do their own. Then people where you not even still know, go still they do their own too. So my people, this issue where just they happen. So it has to be everybody in the outside the country has to come together to form one body. We be say it go they fight for waiting the thief from your hand. If truly the thief farm. And we should stop buying land from these people. Because these people will just be changing. One of the way go finish tomorrow, another one will come. Or one the other chairman will come, another one will come. They will continue. They feed from you. They will continue. They use you. They will continue. They make you. This one will come power tomorrow. He will tell you say that land. You know the power. Now I'm taking you to inside. You go see everybody. We go mumu. We go follow them. They follow them. The one way they go give you for inside now another person you. Tomorrow that person go still come. And that one way get the place go still come. Will tell you say maybe before you even do something for that one self, the two doesn't come up from the chairman. Another one way come again. go tell you say he don't know anything about that one. Then they say now that person ain't get the thing. Now you go start again. If because of say they don't already know all of now, know everybody, say yes, this person threaten them. Now they go ready to the threaten you, they sell one land, they know say they first sell land for you like that, they do it like this. You go tell the other one, say yes, you don't know so person, now so I still do one. Just still do one like that, threaten now. Then it go come down. If not 200,000, I go give you. To get 100,000 or 50,000, I don't know how it be. Everybody know how it be. But then you go hear them. Go and bring 1 million. Go and bring 2 million. Go and bring 200,000. Him, where be the chairman, where be the youth or whatever. He no go fit work 100 naira. Apart from to sell land. He no get one farm where they work. He no get one mechanic workshop. He no get one thing apart from to sell land. To sell land or to come begin form thieves. Creatives, criminal groups. So this issue of that man, whatever it is, I know the governor, I will make myself, I will share this thing. He has to swing into action. I know say I don't say I say it's not the government fault. The fight not supposed to be the good people fight. Because example, sometimes you need to show example for others to learn from it. Because this fear, as fella talk, you fear to do this, fear to do that, police go come, go kick your nyash, the other will come, go flog you. So this fear, we fear police, we fear soldier, we still they fear the picky where you grow, live, where you carry a naki, where you clean a nyash, where you remove a kata before you come out for Nigeria. Now they control you now. Is that not a shame? So my people, it's hard time we begin have a rethink. Make we think, waiting be all this one self. What is all this? Edo say Aragmoiro say you are living as if you are already dead. It does not make sense. It don't make sense, my people. Blaming governor, blaming the other one, we are all making mistake. Issue of land not even supposed to concern government too much for Africa. But if to say in the Western world, the issue of land are not supposed to be a Kareli or whatever. It's supposed to be of the government. So that made the government get better plan and plan better thing. These people don't have plan. They don't have anything. Their own is to destroy. That is all. So my people, when I try to talk and when I try to pass, the way forward, make we form our own body so that we'll feel they put solution, a lasting solution to this thing, because the police cannot solve this problem. The palace cannot solve this problem anymore. So the problem, since now you get the money, now you get the land, now you get the property, so now you're supposed to fight for your own thing by yourself. If the best way they see taken from you, it not get too head. So the organization where it form, make we all begin form our own organization. They form team, now they play. So we need to form team. And I'm begging the government, the secret of how to succeed in life or to succeed in government, you need to have better level player as football be. If now 7 you they play, you hold your 7 strong. If now 6 you they play, you go hold your 6 strong. Now there you know 3, 2, 1. All of them they get their own team. All this issue of bringing somebody because of saying now my brother, now my kokuba, now my this, made they come the state power. So will they get everything wrong? I know in your government it's not like that. So thank you for fixing it or for putting all these things to rest. Because if we not repair all these things now, we are making a big mistake. Blaming the government all the time not make sense. Blaming our palace all the time, it does not make sense. So on certain fight, we need to fight it by ourselves. We need to put a stop or we need to put a lasting solutions to all these things by ourselves. We don't see rich. They don't do rich. We don't see all these things, all this so stress. There's nothing we never see. There's nothing we never know. Since we don't see all these things, I think enough is enough. Enough is enough for all these things. For somebody to come out from media, they'll just come talk from Edo State. They'll just come talk, they go live on there. So it's our time. Now they still take they do the thing. Now they suffer the whole thing. If as Okarele, or as they come and now march out, come they begin protest, say yes, why the government want banding. I just appreciate as the government, the chief for palace, where they still go meet as they address them. They were so foolish to be happy. Hey, not bad Okarele. They forget to say, waiting the man talk, waiting the chief talk, say, the issue when they sell land is banned. if you now begin put hand, go they do all those nonsense thing, the usual thing, way of living, of destroying people, selling land, or taking money from people, from because of say you be Okarele. All those issues, the people where be say the way be say na go rob or go do all those things. If they know they are right, take them to police station, to the right place. The case go hold them. They go lock them for sale. So the government need to be fast about the sale so that he put all these people where they belong. Because you cannot be Okarele. Your state is being mismanaged by contractors, by the people where they bring to come do one thing or the other thing, and una close una eyes. Then the tie road is not good. Then they do this is not good. Una not feel fight. Una not feel fight to put it right. Hoping when they say maybe if na come out, if they come out from power, the road today now they come back, they go only travel go wherever they want to go. Because such a people, even most of them, they are dual citizens. They fit go their places where they don't other country, other states. So by then they will live inside this poto, inside the criminal, inside the state where be say nothing is functioning. So now you go they bear the whole pain. Now you they inside there. They say now so life be. So please let us do everything possible to understand. Say as that woman issue be, if the government did not come in, so let the good people let us carry it as our problem so that we fix it once and for all. And a native daughter was supposed to the way people supposed to come they do locum for Ishiran or make it on the dance. They even help the area. And so he's supposed to be like even a prophet or a man of God too. They bless everybody. They help everybody to know you for better thing, not for you to be seizing anything. That is the devil himself. You don't need to describe devil or define devil. Devil na human being I be. The issue of all these things, we all need to have a rethink and check all these things so that we'll put them right. So another issue we just did now for you and me to get up and begin fight for your right. Because no man is coming to fight. No government, no chief is coming to fight for you. I hear say yes, the issue of this boy with the South Palace. One girl cry come and say the police come carry and one thing, or they arrest him. They begin cry. I don't say they will turn the thing now, turn out to another way. One give one to a door on the other side. Who go do the thing? If they not see do one, I ain't go hide himself. Na his own life, na ain't know. All these things is just like pay me say we will be one. Esan do we be one love, because we dey marry each other, we dey live with each other, we dey eat the same, we dey the same papa. You hear say one man marry, the same brother, all of us are one. Then one person come and they try to create division. So if anything like that, if you go try to do all this thing to create confusion, may una live and make you use your head, carry your own problem. For us to come they get problem, they want come they transfer the aggression or to another person. So we need to check where the whole thing start from, so that make them they use their head, carry their thing. As this issue of Ohena, make it use the head, carry it, so that make the other people learn. Making talks or the boys where they train now, where they surround them now because of say nine, they feel sell land, they feel can settle there. So now that they look now as the best. So make them for quickly learn and know say yes. If they come out as a march out, go they protest that day. They go every street, they go every area, they go they settle the right issues. I think tomorrow, if na mechanic that they do as I talk and see, they go they get money. If na hair barbi, they even barb self. He put on for internet and people they see I think the barber. Since he road good, customers must look for him and they must get to wherever it is. But if your road not good and you know the job, how people go to reach you? So make them, if they not begin protest about all these things, so that means they are evil. That's why I refer them to be the opposite of PDP. That's why I refer them to that instance. So if they not fit do anything now, so it does not make sense, my people. So I take God beg everybody, make we now understand, make we share this thing, make this fight be the people outside the country. If you dare outside the country, you still clap hand for these people. My brother, you are making a big mistake, because if they sell the whole land finish, because say now your brother and your friend, they don't sell everything finish. That 2-bedroom, that house where you built, erosion go carry am. Small time, you know, if you sleep that house, all these boys, if no land to sell, they go turn criminal, they go turn higher, they go turn kidnapper, they go turn all sort of evil put for the land. So how will you live? Who maybe among the boys where you know go be 10 or 20, you feel not know all of them. So if they want to operate, they want suffocate you or kill you, they want rob you, they go send another person, because thief na thief. So you must send someone, go send from another area we not know you. That's why if you look the issue of Ukeke and Ejiro, who can kill her, not know them, maybe not even watch drama. So you don't know say na those kind of people. So I did be now they watch drama or who know this kind of people. If you not feel like me now, you not feel send me now, me I go kill such person. So when I know what they do, say that drama in the heart. So if these people, they can go and send who not know you. You can be a better person in that area, that community. They know, say, everybody, they respect you. Everybody like you. But they'll go send who not know you. Who not know you, if you want to do, you not go look back because he not know you. You only look and say, they don't pay, they don't settle, you don't make money to come go do, constitute nuisance. So they will go do one. So my brother, you not sitting at the same place where you for come on, now we still there. So the best thing is how to send these people now. Join these people, make them they fight the government to do better road. If they fit do all the road as government is doing it, and so basically they do one. My brother, tell them say development will enter everywhere. Development will enter everywhere. Those state has all the best road. The best get roads. When I mean best, get road. Get this road they link the other one they link the other one. Hold up, not the fee whole person. If they really repair, tie all the roads. So money will be meeting everybody at his residence. So if we not do all these things, we are making a big mistake. If we not let them know, say yes, selling of land is not the issue. It's not the way forward. Robbery is not the way forward. Johnny Curtis killing is not the way forward. All these things will only lead everybody to autonomy death, because the death everybody go die. So why not just think? As I brought big rich, everybody did their own lane. They break, everybody they do what they do. The money go they see in your own life. Life they move on. Nobody will not feel buy motor. Nobody will not feel buy bicycle. Nobody will not feel buy machine. Where everything they move on well. So waiting make everything they move on well because of good road. Because of, you know, all these things. As road don't they, light don't they, development, everything will reach everybody area. So now so it be. I salute you all and I thank you all for your time. Please, Ohen issue need to be resolved with immediate effects. The Okarele, they need to go drive those boys, come up for the Nogi and the chief's body, because these are CDA boys. They're not free enter that area. Go begin hide under there. They destroy those states. Una they destroy themselves if una not know. Now self una they do. So make una know now if una be not know. So God bless you all for your understanding and for joining in, for settling. Please, if you just join, you feel just join and you'll be like, say, I just talk nonsense. I would like make you revise it, rewatch it, not too plenty, so that you go understand where they go and where they come from. God bless you for your understanding. Because I began many things when I go talk, but I'll put up for another day so that I make it not too long. Bye-bye for now. God bless you.